Congratulations to Father Nwebe Joy for successfully pulling the whole members of Zion ministry to his own ministry. Congrats to him. Or if I can go, at least the man who put up a fight, we should see the reason why Ojuwe put up that fight. In the case of Father Nwebe Joy, I am happy that now the reason battle Ojuwe put up a very big fight against Evangelist Ebuka Obi wasn't in vain, or is not rather in vain. After all, can't you see how his ministry is now filled up with thousands of people? After successfully recruiting people, Nwikuku and the rest of them, to fight Evangelist Ebuka Obi, he has successfully succeeded in pulling at least 1.5 members of Zion ministry to his own ministry. He has succeeded in showing them how fake Evangelist Ebuka Obi is. He has succeeded in telling them how many and how much RNG and na Zion ministry. And that is why you can see now that is now ministry and or church, whatever you call it, is now filled to capacity. Look at more than 3,000 people worshiping and dancing with him. You can see how happy he is. He is now dancing hallelujah to the glory of God for successfully capturing lost souls in Zion ministry. It takes you nothing to fight your brother. It takes you nothing to fight your brother. You will gain nothing for absolutely fighting your brother. Rather, you will lose a lot. You cannot pull down one person for you to be on top. Have you seen? After all the gra, still numbers can 11, 12. Somebody by last time not 20. So I accept. You gotta go. They are dancing now, rejoicing for moving the almost one and a half of Zion ministry to his own ministry. You can see them now, and will even overflow outside. If we overflow no outside, he will keep shaking and titiempu. Iya do to onye chukwu telu mmano na ani chukwu na emeze. Obula mmadu na emeze. And onye chukwu mele eze. Eze ka ọ ga-abụ. Unwere ife mmadu do no one who capable of doing. After running programs, featuring on programs, speaking grammar, after all those things, you couldn't even win even one soul from Zion ministry. If na that fight you can choose to recruit yourself, recruit even members of Matthias, recruit the adorers, the aggrieved with Evangelist Ebuka Obi because of chiki. All the Zion and the adoration the last time. These are people who are always willing and available for you to use them against Zion anytime you want. Call on them. They are willing and ready to answer you. So, the chapter of Father Nwebe Joy Agago, even a trend now. Is there anything now trending against Zion ministry? We want to know, because there are always people who are available for you to use them. Those people you cannot convert to your members because you cannot win them to Christ. You cannot even win them to your own ministry. So they are inconsequential as far as heavenly race is concerned. Now, those people who are Zionites, they kept and keep on increasing. You cannot even win one out of them. Rather, you will push 100 to them. So look at you. The same. Nothing has changed after all. So, after all these the numbers are all the same. Instead, a move will do from this smaller place to a bigger place. The numbers here increase from either 20 to 21. On April, that na onye the cap fitri onye ekuru onye the cap fitri onye ekuru now official na bie. What next? We are waiting for part 2. I'll be part 3 because not until we go part 1, we part 2 from the same Reverend Father. Or for part 3. It go clear for una eye. Wait for the broadcast maybe this night. You know what I go? I have a broadcast this night. and I need to address some people. Okay, please you go. Dalon.